internet. So my songs are there. For now, it's mostly Cebuano songs, but I mean, there's no language barrier in music, so you can still enjoy that. This next song is a special song because recently it was revived by Inter. It was covered by none other than the Asia's songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez. It's track 1 of her new album, Rigidified. So you can also check that out. Super beautiful rendition of this song. Little background. There was a time na napaisip ako, bakit ginagamit natin yung word na nahuhulog sa sa love or sa pag-ibig. And I can think of two things. The first one is if, di ba kung nahulog tayo, pag di tayo nasa love, masakit. So I think that's the reason. That's the reason why. And then the next one would be pag nahulog tayo, minsan di natin sinasadya. So the song is called Di Sinasadya.
Sabi ang mga hinay, hanggang ngayon'y nahihiya.
Wait, let me start over. I have some lyrics, sorry.
Paumanhin ang damdamin ay hindi may parating. Kinakabit ng dibdib tulad ng bibig. Hanggang kailan kaya ito mananatiling ganito? Paumanhin, ngunit kailangan lang sabihin na darama. Di sinasadya, pero parang nahulog na, di makawala. Nakatulala sa iyong mga mata, kaya pasensya na. Di sinasadya. Paumanhin, hindi masabi ang nanay. Hanggang ngayon'y nahihiya, torpe pa rin. Hanggang kailan kaya ako, hanggang tingin pa rin sa'yo. Paumanhin, ngunit kailangan lang sabihin na nadarama. Di sinasadya, pero parang nahuhulog na, di makawala. Nakatulala sa iyong mga mata, kaya pasensya.